Now you're done. Hi guys. Okay, we're going to Durban. So I just decided now. We booked. My daughter's bathing. So we're going now actually. She's done bathing, I'm about to bath, and we're heading over to Lanseria. I know I'm crusty F now, but kilo tlapa fast. I miss you. We need to go and catch a flight. Maserati. Hey. As we are in the Uber, we are going to Durban. I'm so hungover. This is an impulsive decision to just go to Durban and have lunch. Ngenzela nina a content. This is nice actually. I don't know. I need to eat wings. I need like chicken bacon. Oh. Ashilo ukuthi utshwala basenseni. Utshwala basathan. I'm gonna have a lekker sleep in the flight. Hey, anyway, guys, I'm so tired. And like, I thought I was crazy, but I actually proved myself. I decided like just decide. Don't plan that. Just decide that you're going to do it. And yeah, the ocean water has been calling me. I know. I just want to go chill by the beach. That's all I'm asking for. That's all. Man, and this ride is taking forever. I like Lanseria or Camp. I don't know which airport is closer, Lanseria or Camp or Artam. And my sister, which airport is closer, Lanseria or Artambo?
I'm not sure.
Because I'm like, yo, we've been driving. I just want to see myself at the airport now.
Can I go first?
Yes.
Other client, when you go fast, they report us.
Oh.
Yes,
if speed limit ke 80, speed limit ke 120.
they report us. They say
Now I'm a VW driver, so we don't.
I'm just respecting you.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah. So when the car is going slow, I'm like, yo, when are we going to arrive? Yeah. But I understand. No, don't worry.
The person, they don't tell us. They don't tell me. I don't like your speed.
Oh, they just report.
They report me.
And it's a cruel. Why names are unshot?
Yeah.
I asked me to use my toilet, but so I'll see you at the airport. Says feel at airport, and I'm thinking, okay, like for real. I just decided I'm still drunk as fuck. I went to live last night. We are the restaurants. Let's go and eat first. We did check in. Our flight is at. Yeah, we'll come here at 12:30. Shit. Huh? No, we're gonna eat food first.
Yeah?
We're gonna eat food first.
No, I said sweets.
Yeah, but let's Come this side. Okay, yes. I'm so drunk. I hope I don't get sick on the plane. I just hope. I just want to sleep. Jump. So it's just Kauai and Vita Cafe. Really. Oh. What time is it? Nkabe ke bookile lounge. Serious. You wanna sit on the couch?
Want the couch?
No, it's fine here.
If you want the couch, I can move you inside.
No, it's fine.
It's fine. I'll just give you a minute and then I'll come and help you.
Okay.
What time you said? 12:30.
Half past 12, I must be out.
Nice, fine. I'll give you exactly a minute and then I'll.
Okay. Alright. What do you want to eat? Or
I want to eat
May I shake? I
want to eat sushi.
Sushi. I don't think there's sushi here.
Mommy. And I also want this drink. The small one.
Beef burger. Okay, I want a burger. We're not back from.
Sushi.
Are you sushi? Are you sushi sham?
Ask them if I have sushi. Ask them if I have sushi. I want to
We have the
color.
airport.
I want to color.
They don't have. Please give us 2 beef burgers.
Yes, 2 beef burgers. Yes.
Yes.
It comes with chips or salad.
Chips.
Chips is fine. Yes. Yes, and then to drink. So that's it.
Coke.
Coke.
And Coke. Oh, uninayo
It juice.
spaletta. Mphethe ipapalazi.
Oh, yes. I'll put it.
I don't want alcohol.
Yeah. Maybe another gin and tonic. Just one shot.
No. I don't want alcohol.
So they're responsible woman.
Yeah, I don't want alcohol.
Yes. So but Coke is going to be it's a cream soda spalette.
Cream soda, yes.
Yes.
And like for Lona, Ntela umyenzele a chicken mayo sandwich because Bega she's gonna take time to eat it.
Okay, sir.
Chicken mayo sandwich
Yes, ma'am.
with chips,
Yes.
and then for me chicken
burger.
burger, yeah, beef burger,
Yes.
chips,
With chips. And then a Coke spaletta.
spaletta, orange juice,
Orange.
Yeah.
It's a cranberry fruit cocktail mango.
cranberry.
Cranberry. Yes.
One more tablet.
Guys, I should delete some book. Delete. Here's my other phone. We didn't even tell my mom that we're going to Durban. She's gonna go crazy. She's gonna say, "Lahlanya Luna, lahlanya, utsiluto lahlanya."
YouTube.
Drip check. Nike, Karl Lagerfeld.
Mama.
Baby. Please open.
You see with the eyes.
No, it's fine. I'll just drink it like this. Not, don't give her ice.
I said.
Mama.
No ice for you. Where's my mic? Our music. Yeah, you can hear me. Can you hear me?
Hello. I can hear you.
You can't hear me. Not them there. Yeah, it's so big. This plane is big. I had totally forgotten about the mic, guys. But I'm doing better. I am doing better. Gotta be Umhlanga. I think we're gonna go to Umhlanga or there by La Mercy, yeah. I think we're gonna go there. Just waiting for our food. Yo, I want a chili sauce. Do you have Tabasco? Please. Do you want chips? Do you want chips? Ngiyatatazela. Angazi ngiphuzeni. Angazi ukuthi ngiphuzeni. Ihenesi. Sharp got the vibes.
But it's just milk.
Ay, babe. Are you okay, bye? It's fine. Labantu laba bazokuthatha iy'thombe zama-aeroplane. And wayibona lens euro. Le lens $150 le.
What's this, Mama?
Man, I was skayithela. Disachipha kukhathela. So. I could. Hey guys, we just landed in KZN. Now we are gonna go to Umhlanga.
I'm a baby. How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm okay, sweetie.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, quoi? Hey. Hey. You. We just landed in KZN. Whoa. Thank you, Nana. Bye. Okay, bye. We just landed. We just landed in KZN. We are going to Umhlanga. Umhlanga. Right. This is so cool. I'm just so grateful to God that I'm able to live this life. I can just, decide to hop on a plane and go to the beach. Grateful. Super grateful. Super grateful. Nizozihlalele elwandle.
Awulwandle siyeze ulwandle. Ubona phela itrip kuye kuJoburg ulwandle khona.
Yeah. Abanandaba.
Bayaya kodwa phela kulona izingane ziyajabula emazinde.
Manzi yeah.
Wathi aluna iwayidini.
Oh, hi guys. We are at the beach. Oh my god. I don't want to get beach sand on this thing. Yeah, we are at Umhlanga. We are at Umhlanga by the lighthouse. And yeah. Are you still full? Yeah. Okay. Just came to see the ocean. Yo. The water. Oh, skaya pele cause nna ke ya pele Emma. It's gonna come. There it is. It's gonna come. See the big wave. You didn't wash your hands.
You wash your hands.
Wash. You're not washing it properly.
Fish here.
Yes.
Wash. Give me here. I have to wash dishes here.
Kaya ko pili. Tshwara so. Iyakwa.
Hey guys, look at my mom. Enough!
Yeah, we're done at the beach. Now we are going to Pearls. You look gorgeous. Where are you going, ma'am?
I don't know.
You don't want us to eat at a restaurant. I actually don't know what I want to eat. You know, I'm actually so tired now. I'm super tired. Super tired. But now we're looking for a restaurant to eat, and then we're going back to Joburg, just like that. But I'll catch y'all at the restaurant. At the restaurant. Oh, I'm tired. I wonder if they're gonna let us in with beach sand. No, we're not going in an Uber. We're going to the restaurant. There's a kiddies play area there on top. But I don't want Mozambique.
Why? Mama, that's why I said I want to eat there, but just please.
I don't want Mozambique.
Is it Mozambique, that one?
Yeah.
So I'm not putting there.
Bado. I don't know if they allow, but let's see. As we are at the restaurant, I am finished. Amanzi will do that to you. But I needed this so much, and I'm glad I came. The next time we are staying in Umhlanga. Next time. Yeah. I mean, imagine it wasn't planned. Ngibonile nani mangivuke ekuseni ukuthi sidecide ukuthi sidiphe. I'm having sparkling water, guys. Ngangisa babalazi. Yeah, let's. How long is it gonna take? Let me see.
I want to drink it when pizza. Okay, bye-bye.
It was fun. It was fun. We'll see. I don't know. Durban again when I came in January, but we were like way that side.
Oh, that's here.
Imagine we flew to Durban so that we can have oxtail and pizza. But we came to manifest this life. This is the life that I want to live. Like I can just decide to see. I'm going to Cape Town to go and have lunch, you know. And I'm going to Durban to go and have lunch, come back. Just in lunch date and Black Child, it's possible. That was it. Thank you for spending the day with me. Damn, now I have 2 vlogs. Inside there? No. I have 2 vlogs that I have to edit now. I get to I go like go ama or go somnyama sunset. Kilana or go somnyama sunset. Or I'm tired. No, go somnyama sunsets go badona ice hoppers are no. Hello, Robert. As if this isn't enough, I don't have to go to Merchant. I don't. Camera eats first. This looks so good.
Delicious. Hey.
It's forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm sure nesibona ukuthi umuntu ophelele nya I am finished. I just want to sleep. But I think I did say goodbye now. Or am I just obsessed with opening this camera? Hey,
Look.
let me show the camera. Hi. La ngiyolala khona. Angifune kwazi.
Mama, even look, it's wrong.
Oh. Okay, guys.
Just leave
Thank
it
you for
there.
watching. This vlog started on a high note,
Leave
and
it.
now
I
it's
literally-
ending off on a energy depleted type of. But ngibuya e-live is ngena ngo-6 endlini, then ngiyavuka ngipapalaza, I'm like, nah, I'm going to Durban. Yeah, no. Impilo yobu rockstar again. Ke life ya di rockstar. A song. Guys, I love you all. Bye.